Hello everyone, I am Dr. Preeti De Souza Araujo and I am from Goa. I practice in this hospital, the Wockhardt Hospital Goa, since its inception. To come to my educational qualifications, I passed my MBBS from the prestigious Goa Medical College and then did my MD General Medicine and Therapeutics from the University of Bombay. Coming to my work experience, I worked in the ESI Hospital Margao for a period of 8 years and also as a medical examiner and cardiologist for the LIC for more than 15 years. I practiced as a senior physician and non-interventional cardiologist in Margao for a number of years until I joined this Wockhardt Hospital. Wockhardt Hospital Goa drains not only the area around Goa but also the other parts of South and North Goa. The team of doctors is so good that they attract patients, and the quality care they receive at Wockhardt Hospital is something that they have not experienced elsewhere. So once they come to Wockhardt, they always come back to us because they know that here we really care for the patients. Not only in the medical and surgical care, but also in the patient rapport, that the feeling that every nurse and every person in this hospital, starting from the time they enter at the reception, they are always greeted with a smile, and the smile that really cheers them. The care has been so perfect and the treatment has been so good, and our physiotherapy unit also has so good that many of them have gone back without a single defect. And then they have brought other patients to our hospital, because by word of mouth is the best way that patients can come here. The Wockhardt Hospital is the first and only NABH accredited hospital in Goa. We have an excellent team starting from the very junior staff to the senior most. Every field has been covered and all the super specialists are available 24/7, which has not been so earlier before the Wockhardt Hospital came to Goa. We have a full-time nephrologist, neurologist, neurosurgeon, urologist, orthopedic surgeon, people in the ICU 24 hours manned by experienced intensivists, and a wonderful team of doctors, resident doctors, nursing staff, technicians, both in the OT as well as in the other units. The team of doctors we have are all super specialists, and many of them have got educational qualifications which supersede any others in the other hospitals in Goa. I've been in this hospital even before Wockhardt took over, and I've seen the transition from the time it was Nusi Wockhardt Hospital to the time when Wockhardt has taken over completely. And there has been a complete change for the better. It has really been a pleasure to work at a Wockhardt Hospital, which is very reputed and has all the modern technology in every field.